Hi, this is Richard Moore with MarineMax in North Key Largo. Today, we'll be showcasing this 2020 Scout 420 LXF. This boat is equipped with quad Mercury 350 Verados. This boat is equipped with a Midnight Edition, which has black hull, a powder-coated interior with custom painted FLIR, TV, and spotlight, and radar. Has the gyro interior, which is nice, the light gray. A sink right here, wet storage, fold out bench in the transom, folds away. You have a fighting chair right here, fold down as well. Come up this way, we have two chairs in the middle, 3-row up in the helm. You have the Mercury vessel view 7-inch, 3 16-inch Garmin 8612 XSVs. This boat is also equipped with a joystick piloting system. This boat is equipped with zip weight trim tabs, Seakeeper. And if you follow me up front, we have a lounge area. This table is actually retractable, so it does come up all the way, or midway, so you can have a nice lounge area up front as well. Have a comfortable for two storage compartment. This boat is also equipped with a 60/40 split live well. This boat has a fighting chair and retractable rocket launchers. Inside we have plenty of space here for 4 adults. If you want to watch TV, you have a nice TV right here. In the galley you have a 2 stove burner, sink, and real nice about this size boat, you have an enclosed head. I'll show you that in a second. But very spacious inside here. As promised, good size, enclosed head. Very nice. For more information and schedule a showing on this 2020 Scout 420 LXF, please give us a call.